Well, you do not just wake up one day and just start a business. No. That business idea that you have, it's good to validate it. And validating means testing and confirming that the idea can actually work. Yes, checking that real customers are willing to pay for what you are offering. And this is how you can validate your idea. This is how you can confirm that actually this idea is gonna work. Number one, ask yourself this question: does it solve a real problem? If it's not solving a particular problem, then you better leave it. People will always buy solutions to certain problems. Let's say, for example, you're in this area and you have realized that in that area maybe there isn't any, let me give an example, there isn't a barber shop there, and the people who are around there are maybe going far away to get these services. By you opening a barber shop there, you will actually be solving a problem. Number two question: do people already buy similar things? Or in that area or in that place, do we already have businesses similar to the idea which you have, which are existing? And are people buying those products or services? Ask yourself that question. If people maybe are already buying, then that can be a sign. That is a sign that actually people need these products and services. So it's upon you to check out the market gaps. What am I going to improve on? What am I going to do better than the competitors? Then, can I test with a little money? Always when starting a biz, do not go in with all that you have. Do not put all the eggs at once in one basket. Start small with a little amount of money and observe over time, maybe 2 to 3 months. Then you will have learned the trajectory of the businesses, the do's and the don'ts. Then, have I talked to real people or the potential customers? It may sound hard, but sometimes it's good. In that area which you have identified with that business idea, you can just walk around randomly and maybe start a conversation with the real people or the potential customers. Like, for example, you can maybe ask a question like, let's say your idea, you want to start a barber shop that you have identified. You can just ask, maybe you can strike a friendly conversation and ask someone, hello, in this area, where can I get my haircut? Then maybe from there they can tell you, we only have one kinyozi, the one which is there is not offering good services. You can strike a conversation. Then, do I understand the profits and the costs? It's good to understand what are the costs that are going to be required, because the starting costs are very critical, so that you may be able to know what am I going to cut down, what am I going to minimize on, and how much is it required of me, and how much profits am I even expecting. So it's good to understand the costs and the profits. Then, are there any successful competitors? It's good to look around and check if there are other people maybe who are in the same who are doing the same thing and they are successful, and you can even learn from them or pick a thing from them. And the last one, do I know how to stand out? How am I going to make mine to stand out? What is going to be unique in my area? What am I going to offer that is going to be unique? So